This video is for educational use only. Everything shown is just an example and not financial advice. Your results may be different. You've got to see this wallet. It's built for serious gains. If you're chasing real money with crypto, stick around because I'm about to show you how I made it happen step by step. I was deep in the meme coin grind, trading non-stop, hoping for wins, but I kept losing to trash projects. Then I found something that worked. I flipped 100 into 500, even pulled 11 grand in seconds. And it's repeatable. That's how I've been stacking fast. Here's what nobody tells you. Trading meme coins isn't where the real money is. It's in launching them. The pros already know this. Now it's your turn to level up and play like they do. Most people run to Pump.Fun to launch tokens. Problem is, so does everyone else. Check the site. Hundreds of coins drop every hour. It's flooded. Good luck standing out in that mess. There's a better way. It's Radium. This is where real builders launch. It filters out the low-effort junk so you get bigger projects and bigger results. While they're all shouting on Pump.Fun, we're making quiet money on Radium. You're probably thinking, but I don't code. Doesn't matter. I'll show you how to launch like a pro without writing a single line. I've used this method over and over, and in this video, I'll do a live launch from scratch with a brand new wallet. Let's get your meme coin live, step by step, using launchtokens.fun. This site's basically a cheat code. It makes launching on Radium stupid simple. No coding, no downloads, no headaches. If you can click a button, you can launch a coin. Let's go. First things first. Make a logo. Whatever theme you're going with, funny, hype, chaotic, or clean, design something that fits the vibe of your coin. It could be a celebrity mashup, an inside joke, or just something that looks ridiculous enough to go viral. Export it as 128 by 128 pixels. That's all you need. Now pull up launchtokens.fun and connect your wallet. This is where the magic happens. For this one, I'm naming it KSI's forehead of wow, wild, unforgettable. The symbol? Head. Straight to the point. Upload that chaotic logo. Now your coin's got a name, a symbol, and a face. Click Next. On the next screen, token details are mostly filled in. No need to touch decimals or supply. Feel free to write a suiting description if you want, but honestly, it's optional. After that, click Next again. You'll get the option to link socials like Twitter or Telegram. Honestly, skip it. Some of my best launches had 0 socials. Just good timing and raw hype. Before you move on, they'll try to upsell you with extra features. Ignore it. Save your Solana for the real play. One last thing, and it's critical. Make sure these are all turned on. Revoke freeze, revoke mint, revoke update. This locks your contract and shows buyers you're not trying to rug. Click Launch Token. You'll get a warning pop-up. Ignore it, hit continue, confirm in your wallet, and just like that, your token is live. Right after, you'll see a page asking to create a liquidity pool, and that's exactly what we're doing next. Now we're adding liquidity. This is what makes your coin tradable. First, make sure your custom token and Solana balance are selected. They should both be selected automatically. Next, under amount token A, hit max. That adds all 1 billion of your tradable tokens to the pool. Then, in amount token B, enter how much Solana you're adding. This is your own money, but you're not losing it. You're basically the first buyer, so your funds stay safe. You can do 0.3 to 1. Solana, I usually go with 0.5 Solana to keep it safe and make it look legit. After that, hit create pool, then confirm the transaction in your wallet. Wait a few seconds, then hit refresh. Finally, boom. Your pool just went live. Click view on Photon, and your coin is officially tradable. If you don't have access to Photon, just copy your token address and paste it into Deck Screener. You'll see live price action and trades right away. Chart's moving. Buys are starting to roll in. Liquidity's climbing. Growth percentage is looking solid, and it's only been a few minutes. This is exactly what we want. All these little buys, they add up fast and push volume through the roof. More volume means more visibility. That's the game. Hold up, just got a bigger buy. Volume's spiking right now. This thing's heating up. Liquidity and market cap are both rising hard. Let's chill for a sec. Maybe another one's coming in. Boom! Just like that. Another strong entry just hit. Momentum's building. Now is not the time to fall asleep. Time to exit smart. Head back to launchtokens.fun. Click the minus button next to your pool. Select 100% of your supply. Then hit remove liquidity and confirm it in Phantom. Funds hit instantly. Clean. That's one full cycle of a meme coin flip. Start to finish. This isn't luck. I could launch another token right now, run the same play, and lock in profit again. Let's be real. This video is for educational purposes only. No advice, no deals, no attachments. I'm not tied to any platform. But between us, this strategy hits. If you're going to try it, do it fast. Because these windows, they don't stay open long.